My name is Lynette. I represent the OECS Commission HIV/TB Elimination Project, which is a global fund project. I'm very happy to be here and to be part of this process of the data analysis, dissemination, and use workshop. It helps the countries to reinforce what we already know about the data collection and how we should collect data and the quality of the data that we collected. It also helps us to reinforce the impact of the declining of the funding that we're going to be getting from the implementers. It also helps us to share our best practices, to realize where our gaps are, and to know that we still have some more work to do. I find the participants at the workshop really worked together. They participated, we supported each other, and we know that we have some more work to do. And moving forward, we can share our information and make it useful in a more meaningful way. My message to the policymakers is that we need to be sharing more information and communicating. We normally share information with our policymakers when they have to attend the meeting, but we also need feedback from our policymakers when they make decisions at the meetings so that we will know what information we will have to be collected in order to help them to make more decision making and to help us with our budgeting and financing.